It's a new house for my family. You guys called me poor. I am not poor. Life is stage by stage.
My country people, congratulations to actress Evans Okoro. She done buy a big mansion for herself. This girl no small oh. Well, una dey see this money. Indeed, God is great. We all recall say she buy house for her mama. She build them from scratch, and today look at her mansion. It's so fine, guys. She really tried. Indeed, God is great. I talk am again. See as her mama just dey jump say make una come see God of choosing. Say God of choosing is Yatite again. Guys, I'm so happy for this family. Evans Okoro is truly a hard-working girl. This girl, she sabi hype her family. She loves her family so much, and she always puts them in front of even her own life. Do you get? Make I play the video. Make una see how this family just dey happy.
Ike chukudi na humo, 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 Ike chukudi. Daddy, Ike chukudi na humo, Ike chukudi na humo, Ike chukudi na humo, Ike chukudi. Congratulations to my family. Congratulations to my family. The Lord has done it. The Lord has done it. Down. The Lord has done it. The Lord has done it. The Lord has done it. I told you guys, keep your hands straight. What the Lord will do will amaze you. Come and say hi to my brother.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations! The God of choosing! My daddy is shy of camera. He's shy of camera. Daddy. My daddy. He can't go to la humble. He can't go to. Hey, Osina water.
Boutique. Oya baligo.
Chichi.
Oya baligo. Oya baligo. Come.
He's a down something.
Thank you very much.
He's a down something.
Thank you very much.
My daddy.
Are you best you?
My daddy.
Oya buy you.
Namo. Okay. Down, one Nanjemano. My down brother. Guys, the Lord has done. Congratulations to us. Chief. More will still come. We'll build houses in Asaba. We'll build houses everywhere. Down. Down. This is just the beginning.
If you be lover of good things, I bet type in congratulations to this family. Daisy, see house now. This mansion, if una hear the amount where this girl talk, say she buy this house, una go know say this girl no small. I talk am again, where una dey see this money? Where? I can't wait to touch this money myself. Congratulations, Del. See backyard. Everywhere just dey down. You understand the vibes now. Anyway, congratulations on them.